What's up? What's up? What's up? Y'all already know who it is. It's your man Phone Fake. Back with another one. Listen, dog, I'm doing something I never did before today. I'm trying something brand new. I'm about to do my very first prank video. And I bet you'll never guess who my first victim is. That's right, it's the wife. What I plan on doing is taking her car, putting it in that muffler shop, and getting her exhaust system completely redone. So the reason I'm doing this is every time she's in my car, she's always complaining about why your car sound like this is too loud. Everybody in the neighborhood can hear me when I'm coming down the street, yada, yada, yada. Well, guess what, honey bunch, sugar plum? You about to get your very own loud Flowmaster Super 10 exhaust system. So that means everybody gonna be able to hear when you coming down the street in the neighborhood too. And look, that's enough talking, y'all. Stay tuned for what I hope to be a funny prank. Hopefully, I don't get in too much trouble. Let's see.
With the money, with the moolah. Give me more for the worth. Blue honey, Papa Smurf. 2-0 be the turf. Social media thug. Get thrown in the dirt. I'm the blame, I'm the blame. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. See a hater, chuck a deuce. Drop a finger for the truth.
So right here is going up on the left. We about to walk under the car and I'm gonna show the guy exactly what kind of setup I'm looking for.
Here, right? Yeah, you want to get the guy, right? Okay.
I appreciate you, man.
Super 10, right?
Yeah, Super 10. All right, boom. So what I'm looking for is I want to start at these two converters right here that y'all see. I want to I want to completely get rid of this 2-in-1 pipe, the muffler setup that's on there right now that comes on their stock. I want to get rid of that. I want 2 straight pipes to come back from the converters and to each one to have its own Super 10 Flowmaster on there, and then the finish at the end with 2 chrome tailpipes. All right. I'm good, man. Appreciate you, though. And voila, here's the finished product. This is exactly what I was looking for. Y'all see the 2 straight pipes going back. Super 10 flow masters on each side. And for the grand finale,
Aaron, why did you put this loud thing on my car? You know I don't like it when people can hear me come down the street. Okay, you know what? Bye. I see you when I get home.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
Sweetheart, that came out wrong. Honey! Honey! Baby!
Jeffrey, prepare Mr. Banks' couch.